we divide 610 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 610 divided by 5 is 122. So this much for today and thanks for watching.